Kaza family, Kaza Investor Network here with another flip file from the fields of construction. I'm guessing this video is really going to be more about compromise and maybe some of the things you have to live with contractors and renovation. I'm here in a bedroom, and as you can see, we've got a couple of switches there on the wall. The reason is that we've added a fan light switch in this bedroom where it normally, or where it originally had just a switched outlet. That's that single switch over there, and our two bank switches on the right hand side are obviously the new ones. Now the smart thing to have done when these got put in would be to do what we did in the bedroom next door, where we did the exact same thing, put in the fan light there, and our electrician just found a spot on the wall where he could fit the 3-gang switch and put the 3-gang switch in. Why it didn't happen on the other side, I don't know. Why it hasn't been fixed after the 2 or 3 times we've brought it up now, I don't know. Probably there's a stud somewhere and you'd have to rerun some wire. Probably have an exposed junction box with a cover plate on it that wouldn't look so good, or run an entirely new run down from the panel, which is expensive, time consuming, and probably not worth the effort. But at this point, the compromise is going to be to let it go. In a whole house renovation with a million different parts and pieces, you're not going to usually get absolutely everything that you want out of it, and you can either fight with your contractor about those kind of things and drive them nuts trying to get 100% of everything you wanted, or decide to choose your battles, get the big stuff, get the things done that you know you need to have, and know that you're not going to get everything 100% right every time. But it's probably not going to kill you. I don't think we're going to get dinged on price because we have 2 banks of switches over there instead of a logical 3 switch. And I'm also not willing to just blank out that 1 switch and leave a plate in the wall. I'd rather have a switch there than a blank plate. And you can't cover it up because it would be a covered junction, and you can't do that behind drywall. So the result's going to be to leave it, and it'll be okay, and we'll live to fight another day. But those are the kind of decisions that you'll have to make, and work with contractors that get 99% of it right and only leave that 1% undone or not done the way you like. I consider that a victory for what we pay for the work that we have done and the quality of the work when it is done. So choose your battles, choose your contractors, let us know how we can help in that process. Find us on KazaInvestorNetwork.com and hit us up anytime, as we are always here to help. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.